Hello. Today we'll be measuring how much rain we got today. The way we are measuring the rain is a rain gauge. A rain gauge is a tool or device that collects water or snow and piles it up inside the jar, as here, and then you measure it. And that's how meteorologists know how much rain you get. But since we don't have the actual tools to make a rain gauge, we're just using a ruler and a jar. And we're gonna put up the ruler to here, and it seems that we have 1 inch of rain. 1 inch. And that's how meteorologists know how much rain you get. Bye.